Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. The polar vortex is almost here and we've been hit with a little bit of snow. So we thought today would be a good chance for us to show you how to make snow cones for dogs. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Our channel is all about our two dogs, Harry the Siberian Husky and Jasper the rough Collie. To make the all-natural syrup, you'll need the following: beet juice from either canned or fresh beets, pumpkin puree without sugar added, and low-sodium chicken stock. Here are the tools you need: a small pot, a whisk, an ice cream scoop, spoon and fork, containers for the syrup, and 2 small cups. Turn the stove on medium-low. Carefully pour the beet juice in the pot and mix with chicken stock. You can also use low-sodium beef or vegetable broth. Mix together with your whisk. We don't need the syrup to be hot, so turn off the heat and transfer over to the container once it's mixed. Now do the same with the pumpkin puree. Add the pumpkin puree to the heated pot and mix with the chicken stock. Transfer over to the container once it's been mixed. Another option is to use sweet potato or squash puree. Just be sure that there is no added sugar. Move the container to the fridge to cool, or if it's snowing outside, you could leave it outside for 10 minutes. No, guys, hey. Okay, next. Jasper. Not yet. Alright, so we've got these cups for them to put the shaved ice or snow in. So I'm just gonna take some snow here with my ice cream scoop. If you guys don't have snow area, of course, you can just use shaved ice. This is a fun little idea that we came up with when we heard that it was gonna snow. So just want to make sure you pack it in. This snow is actually really powdery. So you just want to top up your containers with snow. And next we'll put the coloring on. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put the coloring on. So we'll do the beet one first. Okay guys, okay. Oh no, Jasper. Okay, so we'll just first pour the red here first. Okay, so here's one. Wait, Jasper, wait, no. Okay, and next we'll add the pumpkin puree coloring. No, not yet. Oh, all right. These gloves are dirty now. Okay. All right, so let's see what they think. Jasper, Harry, which one do you guys want? Here, you each get your own. We added a little bit more coloring because the snow was too compact and it ran out of flavor. And Harry started to look what was on the ground instead, so we just added a little more. Now we're gonna switch up the flavor on you guys. Okay, ready? Go! Nom, 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 nom. Nom, nom, nom. Okay, I think maybe it's not a good idea to make it so compact because they're having a hard time eating it. Jasper's cup is the one that's super compact. So what did you guys think of the snow cone for dogs? Let us know in the comments down below. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, and if you want to see more videos of Harry and Jasper, click here and click here. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye! Harry, say bye! Bye!